Second form is cosine 2a. It will be equal cosine squared a minus sine squared a. It will be equal cosine 2a. Here we have an example. Find, without using calculator, cosine squared 15 minus sine squared 15. Okay? This form is a double angle 15. We can write it as cosine double of angle 15, which is equal cosine 30, which we can get it without using calculator as root 3 over 2. So we can get the value of the expression cosine squared 15 minus sine squared 15 using the form of cosine double angle 15. Here we have an example, another example. We have tan A equals 3 over 4, where A lies between pi and 3 pi over 2. We know that the measure of angle pi equals 180 and 3 pi over 2 equals 270. So the angle A lies in the third quadrant. So we'll draw the triangle of the angle A in the third quadrant as you see. Measure of angle A here lies in the third quadrant according to the given. We have tan A equal 3 over 4. Tan equal opposite over adjacent. So we can write 3 as the opposite and 4 as the adjacent. But 3 is in the negative part of the y-axis, so it will be negative. And 4 in the negative part of the x-axis, so it will be negative. And we can find the length of the hypotenuse, which is equal 5. Now, we want to find cosine 2a. We want to find the value of cosine 2a without using calculator. Cosine 2a equal cosine squared a minus sine squared a. So we will write the rule cosine 2a equal cosine squared a minus sine squared a. Cosine a, which is adjacent over hypotenuse. So cosine a will be equal negative 4 over 5 all squared minus sine a opposite over hypotenuse, which is negative 3 over 5 all to power 2. So the result it will be 7 over 25. So the value of cosine 2a is 7 over 25.